Hello everyone, today we are going to cook Lechon Belly. So Lechon Belly is an oven roasted pork belly, grilled and stuffed with herbs and spices. Okay, so these are the ingredients. First, it will be garlic, then onion. You need to add salt. These are the herbs. First is oregano, tarragon, rosemary, basil leaves, paprika, and then black pepper. So you can add more herbs if you want. You can also add lemongrass and then spring onions. And of course, the pork belly. So you can choose boneless pork belly, then yung medyo malaman. Okay, so there's a lot of ways on how to cook lechon belly. So you can also boil all the ingredients for 5 to 10 minutes to release the aroma of the spices and herbs. But this time, we will not boil it. So you have to add salt, then add the pepper, and then the herbs. Okay, so after putting all the spices and the herbs, now we need to tie the pork belly. So, excuse lang yung tali kasi naubusan nung plain. So, colorful yung available. So, we need to tie it to make sure na mag-hold yung mga ingredients natin. Okay, now that we're done tying the lechon belly, let's add more black pepper on all sides. Then add more salt. mas malasa yung belly natin. Okay, so we will leave this belly overnight para ready na siya for tomorrow. Okay, so now we're ready to cook the belly. So, ikabit na yung pang rotisserie natin. Then, we need to preheat the oven. So, temperature 190 to 200. So, we need to roast it for 2 hours. Then, after 2 hours, you need to check pag hindi pa crispy yung balat, then you can add more 30 minutes. So, yan na yung belly natin. Okay, so Lechon Belly is ready. So you can serve it with Mang Tomas. Okay, so Lechon Belly is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.